Okay, today we're going to learn about synonyms. Here's a new word, massive. Massive means very big. What does massive mean? Very big, good job. Okay, so our first example is the dinosaur crunched all the cars. Is the dinosaur massive or not massive? Massive, good job. The baby crawled across the room gently. Is the baby massive or not massive? Not massive, good job. The egg dropped and splattered across the floor. Is the egg massive or not massive? Not massive, good job. Okay, here is another new word, cheerful. Cheerful means happy. What does cheerful mean? Happy, good job. Our first example, the kid was crying on the playground. Is he cheerful or not cheerful? Not cheerful, good job. The girl was giggling when she ran. Is the girl cheerful or not cheerful? Cheerful. The dog wagged his tail. Is the dog cheerful or not cheerful? The dog's cheerful. Okay, our next word is neat. Neat means clean or organized. What does neat mean? Good job, clean and organized. Our first example is the boy had his papers all over the ground. Are the papers neat or not neat? The papers are not neat. Next example, the teacher had her stickers in one pile. Are the stickers neat or not neat? The stickers are neat. The mom had trash all over her car. Is the car neat or not neat? Good job, the car is not neat. Okay, this is our next word, full. Full means crowded. Our first example is the shelf had one can on it. Is the shelf full or not full? The shelf is full. The jar couldn't fit any more peanuts in it. Is the jar full or not full? The jar is full. Last example, the room had no empty desks. Is the room full or not full? The room is full. Thank you for learning with me today.